Yeah, what's going on, everybody? So this was kind of out of the blue, this video here. So I went to the salvage yard looking for some parts for my mom's car that she just bought to do running back and forth up in town in. And while I was out there, check what I found. So this is a K&N air filter for the OBS. And if anybody knows, these things run about almost $400 new. And I paid 45 bucks. And I was actually able to find a spare filter in the truck as well. And I got everything that it needs, all the material to bolt on. Here's the spacer that goes on top of the throttle body. Got the tube for the, the PCV valve. But yeah, I mean, I think I got a steal. Let me know what you guys think. Like I said, I paid 45 bucks for it. I am going to clean it up. It does have one small dent right here in the front. As you can see, it's not nothing crazy. A little rubber mallet will probably knock that right out because this isn't real thick metal. Another thing that I picked up while I was out there today was the climate control. The one in the OBS now, it works. It just, I think when I removed it to look at the bulb sizing for the backlighting on the thing, I think I broke it if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, I believe so. Maybe not. I don't know. I hope this one will work too, because this one's got rear defrost. This one don't. We'll find out. But yeah, the main thing, like I said, is going to be this here. I'm going to get it cleaned up. I got some black spray paint if I have to. Spray paint it back black. Get it all cleaned up, wiped down and whatnot. And we also got something for this truck. You can probably see it there. As I was saying previously in the other videos, this truck here has a leaky CV boot, and that happened when I was putting the Bilstein shocks on. It actually nicked one of the boots, and it throws the grease out of it. It gets on the inside of the wheel and all on the lower control arm. So I'm going to take care of that after this video here. I'm going to have to move the old Ranger out of the way. Check out the Ranger, man. That thing looks so good in the sunlight. And as you can see, that's a regular size car. That's a Honda Santa Fe, or Hyundai Santa Fe. Look how tall this is. I mean, it's a pretty big truck for what they used to be. It used to be a mid-size truck, or yeah, mid-size. I think that's what they called back in the day. I don't know. But yeah, these used to be real small vehicles. And I mean, it looks almost like a full-size truck compared to the Santa Fe now. But let me quit rattling. I'm going to, like I said, move the Ranger, get it out of the way, get this stuff set up on one of those tables there, and get this thing sprayed down with some degreaser, get it all cleaned up. And once I get it all cleaned up, I'll pick the video back up and show you guys how it goes on and what it looks like and all that good stuff. So stay tuned, and let me get this stuff set up real quick. All right, everybody. Man, this truck looks good. Yeah. I need to get some wheels on this thing soon. Like, this thing looks so good on camera. I don't know if the camera's doing it justice on y'all's end, but to me, this thing looks phenomenal. But yeah, we got the cold air intake on there. Everything went in like it should. The only part that I was missing, and I actually got lucky because of the aftermarket intake that I put on the GMC from Amazon. It had the rubber grommet that sets underneath the box itself to give it that angle that it needs. I was actually able to use it on this one. So that actually worked out as well. You know, that's why I always keep parts, leftover stuff, because you never know when you might need it. I know some people call that hoarding, but sometimes you get to use those parts, which is nice. But yeah, it's on there. Everything's working as it should. Let me give you guys some revs. You can definitely hear it now when you give it gas. You can hear it sucking the air through on the intake now. Way more than what you could before with the stock, which was expected. But another reason why I wanted to put it on there is because it cleaned it up. Like that big box that was on there, I mean, you couldn't even see this portion of the engine because it was covered. So now with that out of the way and the old K&N on there, that just sounds so funny when you say K&N. Sounds like you're saying K-N-N, but it's K and N. Weird name, but yeah. Let me know what you guys think. Did it turn out good? I think it looks very good. This truck looks so good on camera to me, man. You just can't beat these old square body Chevys, man. You can't beat them. And another thing I did, I went ahead off cam as I put the new climate control in. I don't know if the camera's doing this any justice as well, but you see the Suburban, it's actually white. That's what color this is supposed to be, and it's like a yellow. I believe this was original to the truck. I don't know if the camera's gonna pick it up either, but inside that black connector there, it's actually burned up on the bottom left corner. And all the tabs on this thing broke off when I could probably push this off. I mean, that's how brittle this thing is. So it was definitely due for a new one. And I got lucky because the Yukon that I got this stuff out of was really well taken care of. Everything works like it's supposed to. That works. AC on the truck doesn't work yet because I need to do the line for the AC evap, but all that works like it's supposed to. But yeah, I was almost gonna take the slotted rotors off of the Yukon that I got this stuff off of, because that truck was really well taken care of. Like it got into a wreck, so it wasn't like blown up or anything, but it had the Viper remote start on it. I mean, it was a really nice Yukon that I got this stuff off of. But yeah, if any of you guys are in the Goldsboro area in North Carolina and you know where Bevel's is and you got an OBS, there's definitely a clean Yukon on like the first row when you go out there. It's like a burgundy color. The interior is completely like, I mean, the interior is immaculate. If it would have been like a burgundy interior on this, I definitely would have got it. So if any of you guys are looking for it, go pick it up. But yeah, that's gonna do it for this one. If you guys enjoyed, hit that like button, subscribe. I'm gonna leave a link in the description for the cold air intake. That way you guys can see how much it is. But yeah, that's gonna do it for this one. Peace.